biodiversity is the variety of life on Earth
at all its levels from genus to ecosystem.
Promoting evolutions, ecology and cultural processes that sustain life.
Biodiversity is very important to most aspects of our life. We value biodiversity for many reasons.
I value biodiversity for not only what it has provided to human, but also the value it has in its own right.
Some are based on utility, or some can be like instinctive.
Yes, and ecosystem provides us with various crucial services as well, like pollination, dispersion of seeds, and climate regulation.
Utility value may involve many things that human obtain from biodiversity, such as food, fuel, shelters, and medicines.
It also holds value for the potential benefits not yet recognized, such as new medicines, consider coronavirus.
Water purification, nutrient cycling, and control of agricultural pests.
And maybe other possible unknown services that we might know.
See, in my opinion, biodiversity has cultural values to humans as well. I think for spiritual or religious reason, for instance.
Even it is independent of its values to anyone or anything else. It itself has lots of things to conserve for.
Well, this maybe seems a philosophical concept, so which it can be a thought of the inalienable right to exist, because aliens are not exist, but this will be.
See, it also can be understood through the lens of relationship we form and strive for with each other and the rest of nature.
Well, see, over the last century, humans have come to dominate the planet.
And they were causing the rapid ecosystem changes and the loss of the biodiversity across the planet.
Although the Earth has always experienced changes and extinction, but today they are occurring at an unprecedented rate.
Some of the major threats to biodiversity include habitat loss and fragmentation.
Unsustainable uses of resources, invasive species, pollution, and global climate change.
Well, the cause of biodiversity loss like human growing population or overconsumption are often too complex to understand.
Of course I want.
Yeah, I want to save it.
Yeah. I'm ready and up for it.
Okay, any suggestion on how we should begin saving biodiversity?
Preserve nature wherever you can.
We can focus on the reduction of invasive species.
We can restore some habitats like with restoration drives.
Also, we can focus on maintaining plants and animals in a controlled environment like wildlife reserves. I mean, we can promote captive breeding.
Well, I will do cycling.
Well, our government and people should purchase sustainable product, I think.
Oh yes, we can reduce climate change. I know it's hard, but we can try at least.